Okay, everyone, let's prune this citrus tree that's not producing blooms, and then we're going to harvest some citrus. Okay guys, so this citrus tree has been trimmed. What I've done is I've taken off the suckers, a total of 3 that was round the side, right here, and right there. It looks good. It's scabbing over nicely. It's been a couple of days since I actually did that. Of course, I don't see any significant improvement in it, but I want to try to get this covered up because our temperatures are changing. So I'm excited to see what the pruning has done for the plant, if I can just keep it nice and warm before we get these 20-degree nights for the next week or so. But for the most part, I am happy with the way that it pruned. I could have pruned a little cleaner, but I think I did a pretty good job with what I had. In addition to the pruning this up, I was able to go ahead and harvest the citrus off of the calamandan tree, and I'll show you guys in another video, hopefully if I can get it done, of what I did with the juice in the skin, because the skin of the calamandan is very sweet. Thanks for watching. Alright, let's see what we got here. I guess I don't need these shears. Just pull them off. Gloves. We have little thorns. Let's see how much we can get from these. Some of these are small, but it looks like they're still turning. I have new blooms. We're supposed to get down in the 20s sometime next week, which is really not normal for us, especially not in early December. I think today is like the 25th, and so next week, the 1st through like the 6th, we're supposed to have very low nighttime temperatures in the 20s. I hope it doesn't damage my fruit trees, but I may have to go ahead and just put them in the greenhouse and kind of protect them. So we'll see how that works out. So let's see. This one right here is pretty big. See this compared to these two small ones that have already turned. And some on the inside here, at least one, I think. So we'll get these. I'm going to prepare and make sure that they are producing. I think I needed to get some of these smaller ones off so that the bigger ones can go ahead, get some of these bigger ones off so that the smaller ones have enough energy to go ahead and produce. Take this off. Started ripening, but it's still hard and too small. Alright, I think I got all of those in there. That's good. So let's take a look at what we have. Get this shadow. So this is what we have in here. So that's probably about, I'm thinking 20 to 30 small calamandans which I'm happy with because it looks like we have 100 still on, and hopefully they can produce. But thanks for coming along while I prune my citrus tree and harvest some calamandan fruit.